After a powerful kickoff in Florida, Deep Trekker and AIMS are back. Our first event brought agencies together to rethink how search missions start, with smarter planning, shared strategy, and better tools. Deep Trekker's cutting-edge tech, ROVs, Sonar, and mission planning software helped responders find what matters faster. Real-world drills, real-world impact. Participants ran full-scale scenarios, streamlining operations and improving response times. Cross-agency teamwork is at the heart of every AIMS event. With incredible momentum from Florida, we're bringing AIMS to more regions. Bigger, better, and even more hands-on. This isn't theory, it's applied training, with the gear you'll use in the field. We're expanding AIMS training coast to coast. Don't miss your chance to join. Be a part of something bigger. Train alongside leaders shaping the future of aquatic search and recovery. Visit deeptrekker.com to learn more. See you there.